Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the Rinne or Rinne's assessment. So what is a Rinne test? The Rinne test is designed to gauge a patient's hearing loss using a tuning fork to see if the hearing loss is conductive or sensorineural. It is one of the most reliable otological assessments and is one of the two remaining tuning fork assessments still being used today, the other being the Weber's test. A sign of conducting hearing loss is that the bone conduction of the test is greater than the ear conduction. This means that the sound is heard in the affected ear, which indicates a problem related to the outer and/or middle ear. On the other hand, if the ear conduction is greater than the bone conduction, but the sounds for both are depreciated, the hearing loss is sensorineural. This means that the affected ear has a problem with the inner ear or auditory nerve. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this test, however it's commonly used by audiologists as well as ENTs, ear, nose and throat doctors. Here's how to use a Rinne test. The first step is to fill in the client information at the top, gather the relevant materials and read the instructions. You'll then need to conduct the test, record and then interpret results. Once results have been interpreted, make sure to incorporate them with an appropriate treatment plan for the patient. To view a sample assessment of the Rinne test, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download the test for free. You can also access the test through our platform, filter by community and assessment, and type in the keyword to find the note faster. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.